Hi guys, it's the 1st of April 2020. We are in the middle of the coronavirus outbreak in India and hope all you guys are doing well. So today we are doing some home improvement since we have nothing better to do. We had done a small repair job as you can see here, but there is a problem with it because the chamber cover needs to be airtight and there is a huge gap right next to the chamber cover as you can see here. Now using cement we are unable to cover the gap using cement, so we are going to use this polyurethane foam, which is an expanding foam and it is moisture cured. It is the stuff they use inside your refrigerator. We would have heard of it as PUF, puff, which they use in the insulation of fridges. So this is the same thing, but it is in a liquid form which is supplied in a can, and once you spray it, it goes and sticks to the substrate and expands and becomes a thermocol like material, and it is stiff. So we are going to use this. Along with this we will need a water sprayer and a cardboard just to stop the foam from spreading everywhere, and we need a hacksaw blade to cut out all the excess foam, and of course safety you need a pair of gloves. So as the first step we have to moisten the damaged surface. As we know, this is a moisture cured polyurethane foam. So the wetter we get the surface, the better result you will get. No gaps. The next step is to shake the can of the polyurethane foam thoroughly so that all the contents are mixed. It is a single component foam. Supplied in an aerosol can. This is a straw grade foam which is meant for small jobs. So just attach the supplied straw like such. This polyurethane foam needs to be used inverted. So let's start. Let's start from right in the corner. Hope you are getting a shot of this. Remember, this is an expanding foam and we need to fill only about 50% of the gap, and the foam will expand to fill the rest of it. This is the state of the PU foam after about 10-15 minutes. We will come back when it's fully cured. Yeah, now we have moistened the surface here. We have one more gap to fill here. So let's go with the foam again. Let's start. We'll start from the bottom. So we have come back after about 2 hours and now the foam is fully set. You can see it's become stiff and hard. You can use a hacksaw blade now to cut off the excess. So you can see all this foam has been cut out just using a hacksaw blade. Just to give you an example, I will show you one cutting over here which I had used to fill the gap near the pipe. So you can see the gap has been filled and the excess can be easily cut off. And not only can you cut off the pure foam, you can also sand it, and you can use a cutting knife also if you like. And after sanding, you can also do the putty primer on it and paint over it so that it gives an aesthetic appeal and it looks nice. Even here, we have cut off the excess foam and it has filled the gap between the cabinet and the wall. We had a lot of problem with pests and rodents. So this PU foam can be used to stop pests and rodents too. They don't really like the taste of the foam and they can't eat through it. So this is another use for the PU foam. Hope you like this video and I hope I can make many more for you in the future. And thanks for watching.